Hey guys, I'm Tyler with Covered 6 and I'm here with Condor today to show you a few accessories for a few of their chest rigs. The first accessory is the bib integration kit. So you can see right here the purpose of the bib integration kit is to provide more MOLLE real estate to your chest rig. It also has a rear admin pouch here closer on the inside, hook and loop down here at the bottom to secure that to the chest rig, and it also comes with these 4-inch MOLLE straps to secure it to the chest. The next accessory is the Hydro harness. It replaces the X harness on all the chest rigs. It still comes with the padded shoulder strap, the built-in D-ring, and it has a hook and loop guide for your hydration tube. It still features the swivel lock so it still moves with you. It has MOLLE webbing here on the bottom, and it will accommodate but does not include a 2.5 liter bladder. So there you have it guys, just a couple accessories for the Condor outdoor chest rigs. If you'd like to learn more, go to condoroutdoor.com. If you'd like to purchase one, visit any Condor outdoor dealer. I'm Tyler with Cover 6. Until next time.